Hello, I'm Janet Clare. I'm in the Fat Quarter Shop studio and I'm a designer with Moda here in the UK. And it's a pleasure to be here with you all. I'm going to tell you about my new collection called Freya and Friends, which was inspired by my book called Freya and Fred. And it's the adventures of a little girl and her dog. And it takes you through the whole week of their fun that they have together. I'm going to start showing you the little cover inside, which I've made into some fabric from Moda. And here she is, she's the little girl with her dog, trusty sidekick, Fred. And she has a full wardrobe of clothes for you to play with. So it's all fusible applique, so it's really nice and easy for you. And she's got different dresses and hairstyles and trousers for you to play with. And it goes through, you can make an alphabet quilt. And she has different hairstyles, so you can make all boys or all girls or a good combination of both, change your skin tones, and you can have really, really good fun with your quilts. So here we go. She goes on picnics and made a crazy centerpiece for this one. And then I have came up with an idea that all the applique templates are all very stiff and still. So I thought, wouldn't it be fun if they were posable? So I've made lots of my templates jointed so you can pose them and they can run across your quilt. So Fred can run across your picnic quilt. And there's Freya. And there he is, dancing in the primroses. And I also made Freya into a ballerina. And ballerinas dance, as you know. So here she is. She's a jointed template of Freya in her tutu, and she can dance all over your quilts. Here she is. She's playing Ring a Ring of Roses. So this book inspired the Freya and Friends fabric collection I'm just launching with Moda, and it features the golden age of childhood and the Enid Blyton books, your Dick and Jane reading books here, and it's just a chime of innocence and childhood, just fun and really soaking up the little things in life and not having a care in the world. It's got a really soft colour palette, and I hope you enjoy it. So, I'd love to tell you now about my fabric, Freya and Friends from Moda. It's my new collection. It's really lovely. It's really sweet colours, very naive, very charming. It's inspired by the golden age of childhood, and I wanted everything to feel quite familiar and quite comforting, very soft and soothing to be surrounded by. I brought along one of my original drawings for you. I turn in original paintings and drawings to Moda fabrics, and they very, very carefully reproduce them onto these beautiful cloth that we all love so much. So I've got the little sketch I did here of Freya and her friend playing with their ball in the back garden, and here she is on the cloth. You can see it. The attention to detail is incredible. So I just wanted to show you that. And then here she goes. So she's got a full panel here with all of her little friends, and they're all playing and chatting together and baking cakes and eating cakes, obviously. Really lovely Irish chain block. And this is one of my favourites. I'm wearing it in my dress. This is just the little heads of Freya and Fred playing. Got a really pretty little dot, and this comes across all the other colour combinations as well. Pretty little rosebud print, a lovely textured solid, and then these little hexagons like a granny's flower garden. So I've got a really lovely, soft, pretty blue and a couple of really gorgeous 1940s inspired soft greens, little spots of pink blossoms on this one. Then we've got the lovely pink colourway, very soft, gentle pink. You've got little Freya and Fred with their little pink faces, all the way down, all the little stripes, little prints and stripes. And then my favourite blue. I do love blue, and I think it's soft. It makes it a bit more modern, toughens it up a little bit, but it's still very pretty, very usable. So there you are. That's Freya and Friends from Moda Fabrics. So I'd like to tell you a little bit now about the doll's house that I designed for Freya and her friends. It comes on a beautifully printed panel by Moda Fabrics. And as always, I turned in original drawings and paintings to Moda, and they are very, very carefully, with such dedication, they turn my beautiful paintings into this cloth that you can all enjoy. So the panel features all of the house that you can make, little pockets for you to store all the little girls and all the tea sets in, and 3 little girls and a dog. and a tea set to play. And I'm going to show you how to make this all later so you can all enjoy it. It's very easy. You will really love making it. I wanted to show you some of the little paintings that I did. This is my design idea that I handed in about the doll's house. It folds up into a little pillow and neatly played away, can all be stowed away really neatly. So that's that there. And then this is the tea set that I painted, which is really good fun. So she can have a birthday tea party with all of her friends, and they're Freya, Felicity, and Fiona, and Fred, and they all have a lovely birthday tea party. I'm going to show you how to make this panel up by Moda Fabrics into a doll's house soon. So you can make pretty quilts for all of your favourite little girls and boys with my new Freya and Friends Fabric collection by Moda. I've made a pretty little child's apron, the artisan apron, and of course there's the panel that you can all enjoy and play with your dolls, just like a little child. It's so much fun. You can find all of these products, my quilt patterns, the Freya and Fred book, the Freya and Friends fabric, and the doll's house panel at Fat Quarter Shop.